What's up, guys? It is King Prince right here. And wait, let me sit down. What's up, y'all? It's King Prince right here. And I'm doing a video like ways to sneeze. Well, if you want to sneeze, yeah. One thing you can do this way. Get a Q-tip. Get a Q-tip, bro. Q-tip. And what you want to do, shove it up deep. See? Whoa. Oh God. Alright. One more is doing this. Like put your hand back and bring it to your nose a couple times. And guys, that was 2 ways to sneeze. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!